Hi everybody, warmer days are ahead and I can't think of a better way than to kickstart spring than with these incredible king prawns that I'm going to infuse in garlic, chilli, lemon juice, parsley and lots of butter. Let's get started!
To begin, you want to defrost your king prawns, grab a sharp pair of scissors, and at the bottom of the prawn tail end, you want to carefully slice up the back of the prawn to peel away the shell. Now you want to set aside your prawns, grab your chilli, garlic and parsley, a sharp knife and start chopping up all these ingredients. Heat the salted butter in a large frying pan. Add all the ingredients on a medium heat until they start to sizzle, and then increase the heat just a touch as you add the prawns, searing them in those beautiful flavours and just keep turning them. After around 1 minute, squeeze in some lemon juice and some seasoning, toss the prawns around so they are fully coated in all those ingredients and sprinkle over some parsley. Minimum effort, maximum flavour, grab a crusty roll and enjoy. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like and share for more.